tables. Now we are having some demo database like customer, order, employee, product. We are working on this demo database. We are performing various functions and join on this demo database. Let me first check the customer database and run that customer database. You can see here in output, customer database is having customer ID, customer name, contact number, address, city, postal code, and country. Now, if I run the table orders, then the query is select star from orders. Select star will select all the column of that particular table. So order table is having order ID, customer ID, employee ID, order date, and shipper date. This table already created, and we are just performing various functions on this table. Okay. Now the first function we are going to perform on this table is, let me check what can I do first. Order by. Okay, order by is the keyword used to sort the result set in ascending or descending order, right? The records of order are ascending by default. If you use the keyword DESC, then it is going to arrange your data into descending order. Suppose I'm selecting, I want to, we can say, select my database and arrange my database as per the order of country, right? It is going to select my database in ascending order country wise. So you can run this database. You can see here the first country name start with letter A, second country name start with B, Brazil, third one is Canada, fourth is Denmark. So it is going to arrange your data order wise, country based on country, right? Now the same thing I want to arrange in descending order, then I just have to type DESC descending, and you have to run this query again. So you can see here the first country start with this Venezuela, and the record are going to arrange accordingly. Second one USA, third one UK, fourth Switzerland. So it is going to arrange your data in descending order. By default it is ascending, but when you are giving descending, then it is going to arrange your data in descending order. Okay. Next operator is a like operator. Whenever you want to search any specific pattern into that column, like name start with A, name start with B, country start with C. So whenever you want to search for some particular pattern, in that case we are using, we can say like operator. And whenever you are using like operator, at that time you have to use symbol percentage, right? So let me fire the query. Suppose I want to select the name of customer whose name start with A. So you have to fire the query. Select star from customer where customer like a percentage, right? So it means your first letter is A and the remaining letter can be anything. So you can see here all customers name start with A, we're going to display here. If in place of B, if in place of A, suppose I'll write B, and is there any name which is going to start with B? See here, the customer's name start with B is going to display. If I'm going to type here B, and if there are any name exist, then it is going to, you can say, display B wise. Let me check if I'm keeping percentage first and B last. So it will going to display the name whose last character is B. The remaining character can be anything. If I am typing here like percentage A. It means percentage means in front you can take any of the character, any number of character, any character, but last character should be A. It means your name of customer ends with letter A. So you can search your data using any kind of pattern. Suppose I'm writing here percentage OR percentage. See, it is going to search for the pattern where in between OR is there. See here, in this name there is OR, in this there is OR, in this import there is OR. So everywhere here OR is there, in store there is OR. So wherever the OR word with the name is present, in between, initially it can be anything, ended with it can be anything, but in between OR should be there. So this kind of pattern will going to print using this like operator. See, if I am writing underscore R percentage, it means your first character can be anything, but second character should be of R, and later on whatever number of character is there, it is going to print. So it is going to print only those name whose second character is R. You can see here there is a second character in output is R. Second character in output is R, right? In France, there is second character is R. So it is going to print those name whose second character is R. Okay. You can even write down not like percentage A. So it is going to print all the name whose second character cannot be A. Or you can type not like, not second, but sorry, last character cannot be A. A percentage, it means it should not be, it should not display the first character which is going to start with the A. That should not be A as a first position. So you can see here, other than A, it is going to display all the name of the customer, right? So you can apply this on city, this on country, this on address, name of any kind of, we can say, column. You can apply this. So your table we have created yesterday, your yesterday's table. Okay. Now I want to select only those record whose name start with letter A. Whose name start with letter A. Who will tell me the query? What should I write here? Can anyone please reply?
Where name like single quote or a percentage.
Okay, let me check. M, start with M, I told.
M, when name like.
Isn't it? Is this your answer?
Yeah.
Let me run. Okay, excellent. Okay. Now suppose I want to print a name of city whose second character is E. I want to print city whose second character is E.
Where
What should
city
I do?
like underscore e.
Is it work? I don't think so. Is it work?
Percentage underscore e.
Underscore percentage underscore e.
Percentage underscore e.
Still, I don't think so. It is work. Second character E.
Ma'am,
Where
percentage underscore
percentage
e.
underscore e.
underscore e
Percentage
percentage.
underscore e.
Still, it is not working. Let me know your
underscore
answer.
underscore e percentage.
मैम पर कोई होगा ही नहीं शायद, कोई होगा ही नहीं ना, कहाँ से आएगा?
This is the right answer. Underscore E percentage, right? Because the first character can be anything, second character can be E, and percentage પછી પાછળ જે character આવા હોય એ આવે. It should be anything, right? But at second position, E should be there. So you have to vacant the first position. At second position, whatever character you want, you have to write down, and later on you have to mention percentage. So up to the any kind of length it will go, right? So in Delhi there is a second character which is of E. First character we have done underscore, and the remaining for remaining we did percentage. So whenever you want second character, you have to write down in between of percentage and underscore. Got it? Isn't it? Okay.
Ma'am, can we use and here? Like percentage e and e percentage.
Like what? Percentage.
Like e percent
Mhm.
and after the brackets are after the quotes are closed.
I'm not getting you. What should I write first?
And operator, ma'am. Like e percentage and uh, percentage I. So that means the name starting with E and ending with I.
And percentage.
No, no, not and, A and D, A and D, and operator. And
Okay.
uh,
Like E percentage
and,
and
single quote, inside single quotes, percentage I. I have instead of E, make it D, percentage I. And instead of E, make it D because Delhi. And why can't we use and operator here?
मैम वहाँ लाइक लगाना पड़ेगा ना, लाइक परसेंटेज आए.
just think you are making somewhere mistake.
And we can use and operators and or operators also.
बिटवीन ऑपरेटर भी तो यूज कर सकते हैं.
What you want to do, you want to start with D and end with I, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Start with D and end with I. It is working. No need to apply the AND operator. In between percentage you can use. In between any character can become. First character is D, in between any character, and last character is I. There is
Ma'am,
no
but
need of AND
if
operator.
we use OR operator, if you want to use OR operator, then either D or either something else. Now, because we are using not operator, right? Before like,
This is trial and error. You can try and check what happens. There are so many, we can say, things that you are going to check with like operator. So you can
मैम
apply and check whether it is working or not.
मैम
Let me give you some.
मैम अगर हमको ए और बी के बीच के नाम चाहिए डेटा, तो उसमें क्या करेंगे?
Wait. See here. A percentage means what? It is going to find any value that start with A, right? I mean A percentage. Percentage A means any value it is going to end with A. Percentage or percentage means it is going to find any value that have or in between position. Underscore R percentage means any value that are in second position. First position is vacant. Any value that start with A and there are at least 2 characters in length. Any value that are start with A and you have to put 2 time underscore here. So it is having that are at least 3 characters in a length. A percentage O, it means a value will start with A and end with O. So these are the some option. There are lots of option with the like character that you have to try and check. Right? By applying various operators, you can try and check. Once you do practice, then you can try to identify whether that options are working or not. Okay, the next is in operator. So in means what? You have to find out, suppose I am having list of countries or lists of cities. From that, I have to find out only a particular city of that particular student or customer, that this student is belongs to only Ahmedabad, Mumbai and Goa. I don't want other than the cities, or the customer who is belongs to India, Japan and Germany. I don't want other countries. There are lots of countries, we can say more than 20 countries from we are having customers. So in that case, you can use in operator, which is going to select particular customer. So you can write down select. Customer, I think C is capital and S is there. Name I have written is wrong. Customers is there. You can see here, there are various customers who belongs to city Germany, Mexico, UK, Sweden, France, Spain, Canada, UK. There are Brazil. There are so many, we can say country, Italy, Portugal. But we are not interested in all these countries. We are interested in only 3 countries. In that case, you have to use in operator. Let's start from customers where country in Germany, France and UK. So it is going to select only those customers who are belongs to Germany, France and UK. So you can see here, they have selected the customer. who belongs to Germany, France, and UK. Suppose here I'm typing and I want to select the customers who are belongs to country UK and USA. So it is going to select UK and USA only. See, a last column country. There are only customer exist whose city, whose country are UK and USA. Okay. Now you have to answer me. I want to select name of customer who belongs to city London and San Francisco. I want to find out all the details of customer who belongs to city London and San Francisco. Who will tell me the query? What should I write here?
Where city in London and Francisco, comma.
Let me check. It is case sensitive. So you can see here, it is going to select only those customer who belongs to city London and San Francisco. See here the fifth number of column, city column. Now we want to select in between. I want to know the marks of student whose marks are in between 80 to 90, right? So in that case, you have to apply the between operator. Or I want to know the price of product whose price is between 1000 to 2000. So it is going to give me list of that product whose price is between that particular value. Now I'm having one column, we can say one table products, and I want to find out the price of that particular product whose price is between 10 rupees to 20 rupees. So there is one demo database called products. It is there. Okay, so there is a product database which is having product ID, product name, supplier ID, category ID, unit and price. So now I want to select the price which is between, we can say 10 to 20. So you have to use between operator, select star from a product where price between 10 and 20. So you can see here last column, price column, it will going to display only those value whose price is between 10 and 20, right? You can apply it as per your requirement. For supplier ID, you can apply. For category ID, you can apply between operator. So generally, between operator is used to select the given range. The value can be of number, it can be your text, or it can be your date value, right? What is the important thing? Inclusive thing. You have to include the begin and end values whenever you are applying this between operator. Let's start from customers. And the second table I want to use is suppliers. So there are in customer table, customer ID, name, contact number, address, city, postal code, and country. And in suppliers, supplier ID, supplier name, contact number, address, city, postal code, country, and phone number. So I can say that I can take with this common column country and apply the union operator between these two tables. So select city from the customer, union city from the supplier. So you can give union of these two cities. It is going to select all the cities of table customer and all the cities of table supplier, and it will going to remove the duplicate values. So you can apply the union operator here. In place of union, we can even apply the intersection and check the output. I think there is some.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. So in place of intersection, you have to write down intersect operator. So you can find out the common cities between these two tables, customer and supplier. Yes, yeah, you can tell. Yes, any problem? Okay. So you can even do the
हेलो मैम.
intersection. Yes, yes, yes.
हाँ, सॉरी टू डिस्टर्ब. मैं वही कहने वाला था कि इंटरसेक्शन में इंटरसेक्ट ही आएगा. सॉरी मैम,
हाँ,
कंटिन्यू.
okay. So you can find out even country column, because country column is also common in these two table. So you can find out the intersection of country. It will going to show the common country of these two tables. So you can apply like union, intersection, and the other operators. Okay, shall I discontinue here? Shall I close the lecture over here today?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, I'll send you recording. If you are having any query, you can ask me anytime. No issue. And please